Bangalore City Police has launched a war on drugs, and we have been maintaining a zero tolerance policy for as far as drug peddling or drug transport or drug possession is concerned in Bangalore City. Accordingly, in the month of September, the city police, including all the divisions and also the crime branch, they have detected 49 cases under the NDPS Act, and they have arrested about 67 persons, out of which 3 persons are foreigners. And the quantity of seized breakup is that ganja 170 kg, opium about 2 kgs, cocaine 13 grams, and MDMA 372 gram, ecstasy tablets 998, and LSD strips 1089. Every day we will be doing these raids in various parts of the city and identifying the culprits as well as seizing their drugs. In addition to that, many of the foreigners who are indulging in drug peddling in Bangalore City, we have been deporting them also. In the year 2024, so far we have deported nearly about 80 persons who are foreigners. They have been sent back to their original countries.
But only retailers are being caught or arrested, or suppliers as well?
Suppliers and peddlers. Peddlers means suppliers. Wherever a case is registered, we try to go to the root of that case to identify from where the drug is being supplied. Like in the HSR layout police station case, in which 28 kgs of ganja has been seized. The supply was coming from Tamil Nadu, so we are trying to identify who is the main supplier in Tamil Nadu and how he is supplying. That investigation is still going on.
Sir, two updates, sir. One is on Mahalakshmi murder case, and two, yesterday there was a report that a small kid died because of eating cake in all regional channels. We just need a clarification on that. Is that a cake or stale food or any other thing that you got?
As far as Mahalakshmi murder case is concerned, pertaining to Vayali Kabul police station, we have received all the details from Orissa police, and the postmortem report as well as the dying declaration, not the dying declaration, but the death certificate, not the death, what is it called? Suicide note. Suicide note has been obtained, and we will complete the investigation and file a final report to the court.
But why did he murder her? Anything specifically?
Any details on the suicide note?
Why did he murder her?
Why did he?
What was the
Suicide note, he has, to a certain extent, he has admitted to the crime, what he has committed. He claims that if he had not done it, she would have attacked him or something like that. We do not know the exact what transpired between the two on that day or previous to that one. But it seems to be there were some certain differences between the two regarding various issues, because of which this unfortunate incident has occurred. And regarding the incident of a child, we do not have the details as of now. We'll collect it. And
but dispute was there between them for what, sir? Some
personal reasons, due to personal reasons.
infidelity, something like that.
We do not know that.